Did you know, before the invention of the spoon, drinking soup sucked?
Was that hot?
No, that was stupid. Hey everybody, welcome to Chef Dad, and this is my clam chowder. Okay, this is an old family recipe that has precision all over it. My dad sent it to me. It's his recipe. About 3/4 of a stick of butter. This recipe doesn't really have many measurements. We're going with 3 celery stalks. Cut it, however, this is going to cook all day, so these are just going to melt. In with our 3 stalks of celery, onion, and a half. These will be cooking again all day, so they're going to melt down, but you can go through, and if you see any of the bigger pieces, cut them. Go ahead and transfer those into our pot. Sorry, Pops, I'm not going to follow your recipe exact because there's some other things that I want to do to it. So we're going to go in with some minced garlic. Why aren't you mincing your own garlic? Because I don't want to mince my own garlic. It's not that I don't want to mince my own garlic. I don't want to peel the garlic. We're going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Fresh thyme sprigs. We don't have those, so we're going in with whole thyme. Just about 2 teaspoons. One thing I'm adding here is about a tablespoon of olive oil. Now we're going to get this over the stove and we're going to put it under some high heat. That way we can get all these seasonings or all these vegetables sweated down. We're going to help it along with a little pinch of some smoked salt right now. We're going to turn it on high and here it's starting to sizzle, giving it a nice mix. I'm going to add a little bit of white wine as soon as these get sauteed down. Going to give us a better buttery flavor. All right, now that we got these sweat down, and you can see it's starting to glaze up a little bit on the bottom of the pot, we're going to go in with vermouth. Oh yeah. All right, now we're just going to cook this. We're going to turn it down on low a little bit, lower, medium heat. And you can see that was on the bottom of the pan really just got pulled right up. And it's at this point we can start going in with our clams. Liquid and all, we are going in with our clams. These are baby whole clams. Okay, and there's 2 of them. These are chopped clams, so there's going to be a little bit of a difference in texture. Okay, so that's all the clams that we have. Okay, give this a nice mix, get everything incorporated. Got 8 ounces of clam juice. Who doesn't want clam juice? It's important. You really want it. This is going to give it that clammy flavor. These are Yukon Gold potatoes. And you can cut these however you want to. You can keep them uniform. You can cut them small, cut them thick. They're going to be cooking for a long time, so a lot of them are just going to be mush. So if you want a little chunkier, throw a little chunkier potato in. Recipe calls for 5 potatoes. We are throwing in 7. Give that a nice little mix-a-roo. Oh yeah. If you want less potatoes, put in less potatoes. If you want more potatoes, put in more potatoes. We're going to give you the base, and then you just create from that. 8 ounces of chicken stock. 1 quart. Put some half and half. This is a hearty clam chowder. 5 ounces of some heavy cream. As this thickens up, cooks down, all those fats are going to recombine into this beautiful symphony of deliciousness. 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. That is 1/4 teaspoon. I don't think that's going to do a whole lot. Don't think so. That's a big pot. Oregano. So there we go. Smoked paprika. A teaspoon. Maybe a touch more. After this cooks down for a little bit, we'll add our salt to taste. So we're going to get a lid on this and just let her cook. Look at that. We're gonna thicken this with some cornstarch because that's what I wanted to do. So we're gonna take, we're gonna make more than we need, I'm sure. About a tablespoon, a little bit of water to this, just so that we can make a little bit of a slurry. So we're gonna take a pinch of salt. I don't think I've mentioned this is smoked morale salt that I make. Stupid. How you doing? We can see it is thickening up a little bit. Oh yeah. All right. Next thing to do is get it over to a bowl and try it. Look at that. It's got so much going on here. Beautiful clams. Potatoes are broke down perfect. A little bit of this smoked salt right over the top. Not too much. Not too much. Just that much. Let's give this clam chowder a try. Nice and velvety. Oh yeah. That's perfect. I don't know what to tell you. I will tell you, this is perfect clam chowder. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. Make sure you share this with a few of your friends. You know, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.